Murakoze. Nkaba ndi kumwe n'uwera Marina Dina hano. Akaba ari umukobwa waciye agahigo kabisa. Akaba ari umukobwa ukorera muri Cobs Limited Company. Nkaba nagize amahirwe yo kubonana nawe izi saha, tukaba tugiye kuganira ku bintu bijyanye na company iri aha ngaha. Watwibwira?
My names are Uwera Marina Dine, and in this company I have a role of being a secretary to write what enters and what goes out.
Urakoze. None se akazi ukabona ute?
It is very good as we're in this company. We can go in many countries with my partners through buying things, through getting many clothes. As you see above me, we go in Canada, in China, and in many countries. So this work, it is important to our lives because it is the one which gives us money to take to our children or our brothers or sisters.
When did you start doing this job?
When I was 5.
What? 5?
Yeah, I was 5 when I came to see my mother here, and I saw what she was doing was very good.